Welcome to another How-To with HASS. Today we're going to go over how to update HASS 2020. This should be done at least weekly. To start, open the program, then go to the Visit HRSsystems.com button. Once at the website, go to your Account tab. Once at your account information, compare the current build to the build you currently have on HASS 2020. If you don't have the most recent build, click Download Now to start the setup process. Some users will see this screen. Click More Info and Run anyways. From here, the setup process will begin. Select Modify, click Next. From this window, you will select which features you'd like to install, and then click Next to start the installation. Once the installation is complete, click Finish. Then this window will appear asking you which user you would like to have the software under. We recommend under the C drive, User, and then your username. Click OK. Exit out. Close the software. Open it up to ensure that the software has downloaded properly. Thanks for joining us today for another How-To with HASS. If you'd like more information about HASS and HRS systems, there's a link below in the description to our website. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe, and also leave a comment. Thank you.